When failure is not an option, businesses around the world turn to Colfax Fluid Handling for fluid handling products and systems that deliver reliably in the most critical applications and toughest environments. Colfax's brand ALLWEILER is a global market leader in the development and production of innovative pump solutions. For decades, ALLWEILER progressing cavity pumps have been used around the world and in a variety of industries. Drawing on this experience, ALLWEILER developed ALLOptiFlow, a pump that is optimized from every perspective. New ALLOptiFlow pumping elements deliver twice the capacity at equal pump speed and a 20% lower average sliding speed. These improvements result in a long service life and maximum efficiency. ALLWEILER is one of the few manufacturers that produces rotors and stators at its own production facility, located in Bottrop, Germany. Circular striations and imperfections in the rotor contour caused by conventional rotational grinding are eliminated on ALLOptiFlow. Instead, a patented machining process creates a smooth surface with diffuse distribution of comb-shaped bumps. Similar to the skin of a shark, this results in optimized flow and sliding properties. ALLOptiFlow stators feature a uniform geometry across the entire longitudinal axis. As a result, the clamping effect between the rotor and stator elastomer is always consistent. The stator has a scaled, facet-like surface for absorbing liquid components of the pumped liquid. ALLWEILER ALLOptiFlow reduces required drive power up to 15%, starts easily, has stable pump performance curves, and runs with very low pulsation and wear. Conventional stub shaft connections between the pump and drive use a crosspin or key. This design is often characterized by oscillations and very fine vibrations that lead to frictional corrosion in the clearance. This makes disassembly and repair difficult or even impossible. The patented ALLOptiFlow connection is a self-sealing, corrosion-free connection that can be quickly and easily disassembled. The stub shaft can be pulled from the drive shaft simply by loosening the clamp bolts. Since the shafts are not weakened by lateral holes or grooves, ALLWEILER was able to reduce the shaft diameter by about 30% compared to conventional stub shaft connections. As a result, frictional losses at the sliding surfaces of the mechanical seals are approximately 50% lower. This significantly increases the service life of the shaft seals. ALLOptiFlow joints transfer power across hardened, exchangeable bushes and bolts, thereby reliably protecting the remaining joint parts from unnecessary wear. The joints are lifetime lubricated with heavy-duty oil. A robust cover sleeve seals the joint and enables complete filling with joint oil. The cover sleeve will not be pressed into the joint even if subjected to high overpressure. By joint oil circulating around joint pins and bushes, sliding against each other continuously, any frictional heat is removed. This exchange of lubricant makes the joints very heavy duty and gives them an extraordinarily long service life. Abrasive pumped liquids and solids collide with the lifted metal shroud of the universal joint shaft. This avoids damage to the cover sleeve by guiding the solids over the wear-resistant front end of the cover sleeve and around the joint. ALLWEILER ALLOptiFlow. Optimize flow of pumped liquid, optimize distribution of forces, optimize flow of lubricant, extended service life, and extraordinary economic efficiency. As a brand of Colfax fluid handling, ALLWEILER is represented around the world. Colfax Fluid Handling is a global leader in products and systems for handling critical liquids in the areas of oil and gas, power generation, shipping, as well as in other industrial applications and lubricants. ALLWEILER, Colfax Fluid Handling, in sync with your business.